Imagine a journey where freedom meets sustainability, a 2027 electric camper tricycle designed to change the way we travel. Compact, nimble, and fully electric, this remarkable vehicle redefines off-grid exploration for the modern adventurer. At first glance, the 2027 electric camper tricycle stands out with its sleek, aerodynamic form. Its sculpted bodywork merges utility with style, boasting a matte metallic finish available in a range of earthy tones. 3 oversized wheels with all-terrain tires ensure stability on rough roads and city streets alike. The front features a bold, wraparound LED light strip for enhanced visibility, while minimalist design cues evoke a futuristic aesthetic without sacrificing practicality. Beneath its exterior lies an advanced electric drivetrain that delivers instant torque and whisper-quiet operation. A robust 15 kWh battery pack enables a range of up to 250 kilometers on a single charge, making it ideal for multi-day camping trips. Regenerative braking captures energy on descents, while solar panels seamlessly integrated into the roof add supplemental charging throughout the day. Charging ports on both sides offer convenient plug-in options at campsites or urban chargers, ensuring you're always ready for the next leg of your journey. Step inside, and you're greeted by an interior that defies its small footprint. Carefully engineered to maximize space, the cabin converts quickly from a comfortable cockpit to a sleeping area for 2. A modular bench unfolds into a memory foam mattress, while storage compartments line the walls to keep gear organized and accessible. High-quality, sustainable materials like bamboo panels and recycled fabrics create a warm, inviting atmosphere that feels closer to a tiny home than a simple vehicle. Thoughtful touches abound. A compact kitchenette includes an induction cooktop, a collapsible sink with filtered water, and a mini fridge powered by the main battery system. Cleverly designed fold-out tables extend from the interior walls, turning the space into a functional dining or work area. Large tinted windows with privacy shades provide expansive views of nature while maintaining comfort and security at night. Climate control is managed through an efficient heat pump system capable of heating and cooling the space without draining the battery excessively. LED lighting strips with adjustable color temperature set the mood, whether you're winding down at sunset or preparing breakfast before sunrise. For the tech-savvy traveler, the tricycle is equipped with a digital command center, a sleek touchscreen interface that monitors battery levels, solar input, climate settings, and navigation. Bluetooth connectivity and USB ports keep devices charged and entertainment flowing, while an optional satellite internet connection ensures you can stay connected even in the remotest destinations. Safety remains a top priority. The tricycle features advanced driver assist systems including collision avoidance, blind spot monitoring, and adaptive cruise control. Its 3-wheel configuration provides exceptional balance, even when fully loaded, while robust suspension smooths out rough trails. Disc brakes on all wheels ensure confident stopping power in all weather conditions. When it's time to set up camp, the experience is seamless. Extendable awnings on both sides create shaded outdoor living space, perfect for cooking, relaxing, or socializing. Exterior storage compartments hold camping chairs, tools, and extra supplies without cluttering the cabin. A built